Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer who shot this image for a long time ago to watercolor black and white film, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, pretty interesting image I got. Nice. It's already the illustration type image. Well, okay, I'm going to try to send some kind of illustration type image from these two images today. First of all, I'm going to colorize this image, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to add layer, then change blend mode to color, normal to color. Now let's start paint. First, go for nice healthy skin as always. Okay, then choose the brush. Well, basic to soft round opacity. Alright. This is not job work. This is quite a long time ago. I was a student and go to art school, and I guess I found him in the school. He came as a model or something, I don't know. Okay, now go for jeans. Nice graffiti background, huh? I don't even remember the colors though, but that's alright, because this is gonna be the illustration type image. Any color I want, and just add in. Now I'm go blue jeans. So this is pretty much blue jeans. Okay, pretty much done. How about this glasses? I don't know exact colors were, but just I think, well, just the imagination. Okay. Alright, now go for background. I'm going to touch up later, so overall colors I want to see. Let's see, wait a minute. I gotta finish up here. Okay, pretty much done. Now, a little bit too red. Okay, pretty much. Alright, now background. I'm gonna add one more layer, then overall image. Let's see. It's gonna be kind of easy, I think. Let's see. Well, just leave blend mode normal. Then use that brush texture. Maybe that's interesting. Full background. Okay. Brush is, let's see. Well, painting, let me see. Scratchy Bristol. What kind of texture is? Oh, yeah, look at this. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, go for many colors. Well, more like bluish. Well, I'm going to add more, lots of different colors. So more, not pure color. It's gonna go not much saturation, I think. Some kind of brick wall. Let me see if I change this blend mode normal to color. Let me see. More like subtract, huh? That's kind of cool. Yeah, interesting. Well, let me see. Use this appearances. Click over this. Here's saturation. Is saturated and the dark. Well, let me see. Turn it off. Then change again. Let me see. Compared to what was that difference? Subtract. Yeah, I guess blue or color. Cold color goes well. Kind of cool, huh? Compared to, go back to normal and appearances on. More desaturated, different hue, color. Wow, kind of muddy look though. I'm gonna make an illustration, so maybe nice to have more touch saturated color, I think. So just now forget about this. The appearance is off. Then change blend mode to subtract. That's kind of cool. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Then leave this subtract effect. That's kind of cool. Then I'm gonna add another color. Let me see, add one more layer, then change this to color and brushes, same, oh no, brushes. Now go back to recent, soft one opacity, go kind of red. Okay, yeah, that's kind of cool. Really something, dog or something, I don't know. Okay, that's very interesting. Alright, I guess that's it. I'm gonna go some touch up overall image now. More details. Okay. Yeah, pretty cool shot, isn't it? Well, okay, almost done for colorize, and pretty much, well, this is cool. Yeah, let's finish up with this. Now I got this image. Well, start from this original image. Well, this is my original image, and I add model's color, then add background color. Well, actually I painted on normal, change to subtract blend mode to get this cold color overall. Original, I painted on like so. This is, it's some not cool color. Well, warm color, of course. Well, change to subtract to get this cool. Yeah, pretty cool. And I decide to use this color. Then I add background, those writings, add color on this, just that reddish accent, graffiti background. It's pretty good. Yeah, this is the result for today. Well, then I'm gonna check this pencil drawing type image. Next one, change blend mode to find out something interesting illustration. Now that's it for today. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, like adding color, whatever, then changing blend mode of the layer to get some different effect to use it for your creative work. Well, thank you again, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Thank you.